mag-AIM World VCO o mobile stockings in that particular area. There's no exclusivity. The benefit of a VCO is lagi ka lang may products. So you can easily cater to your group and even to your cross lines. Am I clear? Para mas mabilis umandar yung negosyo, mas mabilis umandar yung income, mas mabilis umandar yung pagmamarket natin ng products if you have a readily available products at hand. Kasi sinasabi natin AIM World is purely online. Am I right? So, kunwari nasa US, nagpe-present sa Starbucks to an iPad, eh kung wala kang products, sasabihin, order ka online, at least with this one, may products ka kagad at hand. Next. So, a virtual center operator is only $9,500 worth of products. Alam na natin ang products ng AIM World. iProtect 24/7, iProtect Home, and Cureleaf. So, you'll be given 33 AIM World packages, that is for the 200 countries, or 7 Sapphire packages, 2 Emerald packages, 4 Diamond packages for the big 4 countries, which are the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, along with a combination of product reorders. Next. Ayan. 33, this is just a review. Yung isang AIM World package has 3 sachets of iProtect 24/7 with free Slim Silver or Slim Gold case, 1 iProtect Home packet with case, 5 packs of Cureleaf. Ang AIM World package is $268 plus shipment fee. The suggested retail price of the whole of those products in that package is $450. So you'll be given 33 AIM World packages sa $9,500 na investment. Next. For the big 4 countries, there you go. 7 Sapphire packages, 2 Emerald packages, 4 Diamond packages, plus product reorders. Next. So how would the VCO earn on top of the marketing plan? So this is additional income on top of the marketing plan of the AIM World marketing plan. You enjoy, a VCO will enjoy 10% discount on AIM World packages and reorders. Plus, conversion rate of currency per country. Let's just say in Canada, hindi naman US dollars ang bayad nila, Canadian dollars. So siya naman, convert nun sa currency, local currency. So he or she would earn something out of that. Lastly, servicing fee. Instead of the product coming from the Philippines with the delivery charges, eto, servicing fee na lang, which is 50% of the delivery charge. Plus, kaliwaan pa. There's an immediate exchange of products for the investment of your prospects. So no need to wait for a couple of days for the products to be delivered at your house. At least ito, pag nag-present na, dala-dala nila yung products, pwede na kagad magbayad. Next. Again, for this $9,500 worth of products, these are all product AIM World packages and reorders. So there's around 15 to 17% return on investment depending on the country. Okay? Next. For more inquiries and how to apply, kindly Viber, text, or call, or email the following details. aimworld.vco@gmail.com and text or Viber the following numbers. Elaine and Joanne are the contact persons for contact people for AIM World VCO. Are you excited about this? VCOs around the world. Meron na pong VCO sa US, sa Canada, but again, US is 350 million population, napakalaki. So, and then there's no exclusivity for the VCO. So, kahit sino pwede mag-VCO. Am I clear? Ulitin ko, kahit sino pwede mag-VCO. You'll be given your personal website so you can manage the inventory of your products. And our goal is magkaroon ng VCOs around the world para mas mabilis ang pag-promote natin ng AIM World products. Excited ka ba? So kami nagtatanong, paano rito sa Qatar? Wala pang AIM Global. You can promote AIM World muna. Paano dito sa Saudi? Wala AIM Global. You can promote AIM World muna. For the meantime, at least umaandar yung products natin. US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Italy, Okay? France, Paris, ang dami na pong VC oil dyan. Of course, 33 packages lang yun. So, mabilis maubos. So, para doon sa mga leaders nyo na nasa ibang bansa, para hindi na kayo nagpapadala ng products, para hindi na kayo nag-aasikaso, company na magpapadala ng products by bulk sa kanila through AIM World. So, malilesen na yung pag-aasikaso nyo sa kanila kasi company na mag-intervene to cater their needs. Mas maganda ba yun? And this is the good news. Kapag dumami sila on that particular area, pupuntahan namin sila at mag-e-event tayo doon. As early as now, we are announcing, magkakaroon tayo ng event again sa Paris. Kailan ba yan, Mark? Event sa Paris?
September 25.
Sometime September 25. September 25, we'll be having an AIM Academy recognition rally in Paris, AIM World to. So inform all of your downlines in Europe. At times, meron pang mga distributors from Italy, from Switzerland, from Spain, pumupunta pa sa Paris just to join and see us. Another good news is that this coming August 29, 2016, ang dami ko kanina nakita, naka-eye protect case, naka-nylon thread pa yung chain nila. So you can upgrade slim gold, slim silver, and this coming August 29, available na yung slim black para mas fashionable. And it's for free. All you need to do is just buy one Eye Protect 24/7 packet and one Eye Protect Home. Total price of 3,500 pesos, may libre ka ng case. So you can be fashionable. Meron kang slim silver, meron kang slim gold, and then meron ka pang slim black. Okay, actually yung black gusto ng mga taga UK, taga London, taga Canada. Kasi for them, ayaw nila ng mga bling-bling. Gusto nila yung magmamatch daw sa suot nila, and they would love black. So we created slim black for them, and it's also going to be available here in the Philippines. Excited ba kayo? Yes! O para ma-excite kayo, guys, let's watch this short video.
They say natural is best. Natural is beautiful. No wonder a multitude of beauty products are making AIM to this promise. Today, AIM Global brings forth the true promise of natural. The pioneer company in innovations will launch its brand of all natural products for face and body, for men and women. Natural Essentials. First in line is Natural Coffee Scrub and Mask for body contouring with coffee scrub beads that act as exfoliants to improve blood circulation, leaving skin smooth and ready to absorb nutrients. Just like the energizing effect of coffee, it has triple action. Exfoliates, detoxifies, and contours the body beautifully. Next, there's Natural Strawberry Scrub Face and Body to refine, clarify, and whiten the skin and body. Its strawberry scrub beads will work wonders on skin, acting as exfoliants, leaving skin smooth and glowing, eliminating dark spots and preventing hyperpigmentation. While the sun is a natural beauty, the skin needs protection from its harmful effects. Now, there's Natural Instant White Lotion Face and Body to instantly whiten, moisturize, and protect the skin from UVA and UVB rays. It contains tomato fruit extracts that shield the skin from photooxidation and sunburn. We all know that the skin is the body's natural coat of protection from the harsh elements. To do its job, it needs caring too. That's why there's Natural Antioxidant Facial Toner to hydrate, purify, and whiten skin. It has lemongrass to control overproduction of sebum, which can trigger skin problems. Of course, skin aging is a major concern for both men and women that must be addressed in the most natural way. Now, there's Natural Oxygen Bar with a revolutionary anti-aging smoothing and whitening action. It contains liquid oxygen to promote gentle healing and effective skin cell rejuvenation. It also prevents virus and bacterial growth, which, yes, it's true. Natural is best. Natural is beautiful. Bring out true beauty with Natural Essentials. All natural, 100% no harmful chemicals. Natural Essentials from A. Beauty.
Are you excited? Okay, let's proceed. What are these products that we are launching? Para matikman nyo na, masubukan nyo na at maibenta nyo na. Guys, let's start. By the way, these are Japan-formulated, Japan-tested, 100% all-natural ingredients. Listen to this. Ingredients with human clinical studies. Okay? Meaning, the effectiveness and efficacy are guaranteed. Next. It comes in a box. So, isa-isayin natin. First, the coffee scrub and mask. It's body contouring. Everybody say contour. Doon, ano yung sabi ng contour? Nakakabawas. Nakakatanggal ng mga excess fats. And how does it do that? Okay, 100% no harmful chemicals, no toxic microbeads, no SLS, SLES, no parabens, no phthalates, no formaldehydes. So it's a combination of 3 clinically proven ingredients. First, Terminalia arjuna extract, stevia oil, and mate oil. Next, it exfoliates, detoxifies, and clarifies. Okay, coffee scrub beads for mechanical exfoliation, so that we could prepare the skin for proper absorption of the active ingredients. Next. Ayan, Terminalia arjuna extract. Okay, Japan tested and formulated, firming skin tone and elasticity, reduces skin sagging. Okay, siyempre may nakikita kayo mga nagsasag na skin, nakakatanggal, it's improved moisturization, reduce scaliness of the skin, also has anti-aging properties. Next. It also it breaks down the surplus fat deposits and activate removal of lipolytic fat from the cells. Gives a warm feeling, lalong-lalo na yung mga nagtitake ng burn. Pag ginamit nyo ito, mas mararamdaman yung init. Pagkatas nyo gamitin ang coffee scrub, may init ka pang nararamdaman kung saan mo siya in-scrub. Maganda ba to? Next. So these are the clinical studies of the ingredients. It decreases the fat cells, it increases lipolysis and lipogenesis. Next is strawberry scrub for the face and body. For refining, pampalit ng pores sa skin at sa katawan. Also whitens our skin. Next. Ayan. Again, no harmful chemicals, no toxic microbeads, with clinical proven ingredients like Omega Light technology. What does Omega Light do? It illuminates the skin, eliminates the dark spots, and prevents hyperpigmentation. Next. It refines, clarifies, and it whitens the skin. Next. Ayan, meron siyang strawberry scrub beads. With other products, meron silang beads pero synthetic. With us, it's all natural because we use the strawberry seeds. Okay? May strawberry extract then loaded with powerful antioxidants containing ellagic acid. Okay? Prevents collagen destruction, it lightens dark spots and blemishes. Next. Ayan, may Manuka honey. Again, meron din siyang Omega Light technology. Next. Ito yung pinakagusto ko. Instant white. Everybody say instant white. It has UVA and UVB blockers. So meron ka ng protection from the sun rays and the UV rays, all natural pa. This has instant effect and long-term clinical effects. Ulitin ko, it has instant effect plus long-term whitening effect. So what are the ingredients? Next. Again, it has Omega Light technology that illuminates the skin, eliminates dark spot, and prevents hyperpigmentation, instantly whitens, moisturizes, and protects. Pag pinahid mo ganyan, puputi ka agad. Okay ba yun? So yung mahilig mag-demo niya, pag pinahid mo na yan, easily you can compare. Mas maputi ka agad. Okay, plus kakagamit yan, after 1 week, after 2 weeks, after a couple of weeks, mas maputi na talaga siya. So babalansin mo, parang binary din. Left muna. After a few weeks, right naman. So this is a very good product for demonstration. Next, again, all natural. It has tomato fruit extract. Tomato fruit extract inhibits the melanin synthesis. Alam natin yan. While it prevents the melanin synthesis, mas pumuputi ka. Next. Again, it also has omega-like technology that does all of those things. Combination of patented piperonil and linoleic acid. Next. These are some of the clinical studies with the ingredients of this particular product. Next. Better than kojic acid. Proven better than kojic acid. Next. Ayan, natural antioxidant facial toner. So para gabi-gabi, bago ka matulog, you can use that. And before you go to the office, you can also use that. It's for moisturizing, hydration, and whitening. Next, please. Ayan, it also has clinical ingredients, clinical proven ingredients like the omega-like technology. No alcohol, no formaldehyde. It illuminates the skin, eliminates the dark spot, and prevents hyperpigmentation. It purifies, it hydrates, and it whitens your skin. Next. It also has lemongrass hydrosol. Instead of using water, we use lemongrass hydrosol, which is also a powerful antioxidant. It controls sebum or oil overproduction. Next. And it also has witch hazel distillate. It naturally reduces swelling. It fights acne-causing bacteria. Next. It also has omega-like technology from Japan. Next. Ayan. These are some of the clinical studies done for the product. Strong anti-inflammatory activity, prevents hyperpigmentation. Next. Now, natural oxygen bar, anti-aging and whitening bar. Next. It has bio-anti-age plant complex. It deeply moisturizes, improves skin elasticity, prevents wrinkles, and increases collagen. It also has Luminate Derma Complex for rapid long-term whitening. Anti-aging, smoothing, and whitening effects. Next. Ayan, ang liquid oxygen is for skin cell rejuvenation para mas madaling mag-produce ng new skin cells. It promotes healing. It also prevents the growth of common bacteria and viruses. Next. It also has omega-like technology. The bio-anti-age, what it does, it increases skin cell elasticity, rapid wrinkle prevention, prevent the growth of viruses and bacteria. It also has whitening effects. Next. Ayan, these are some of the clinical studies done with our product. Next. Of course, the Luminate Derma Complex, alam na natin yan. Next. Guys, great news. All of these products are already FDA registered. Excited ka na ba? Next. All of these products, guys, will be available September 2016. How big is the skincare industry? According to research, it's around $300 million per year industry. So napakalaki po nun. All we want is just 10-20% of the market. $300 million industry. That is so huge. And with the new products that we have, which is all natural, no synthetic, no chemicals, 100% all natural, 100% with ingredients from Japan with clinical studies, mas maganda, mas safe, walang hydroquinones, walang mga ganon. So these are very safe products. Walang test na ginamit sa animals. It's of course halal certified for our Muslim brothers around the world so that they could consume and sell these products. Excited ka ba? Next. I'd like you to leave with this message. Okay, pasensya na, galing pa ho kasi kami sa US, straight from the airport, dumiretso kami rito, kaya medyo may jet lag pa. By tomorrow, the Olympics is officially closing down. The sports committee, the Olympics season is closing down tomorrow. Kasi 2 weeks lang po ang Olympics. What have we learned from the champions, from these athletes, from these people who compete? Okay? One good thing to know and to learn from them is this. See, they change. Us, as distributors, as people, we also need to change. Everybody say change. People hate change. The world even hates change. The world fears change. It's so hard to change a person's mindset when that person fears change. Am I right? We want to change the world, one country at a time, one nation at a time, one person at a time. But how can we change the world if the world has fear about change? As distributors, as leaders, we need to embrace change. Am I right? Tap the person beside you and say, hey, change. Why do we need to change? Why do we need to change our mindset? Why do we need to change our lifestyles? Why do we need to change our emotional wallet, our financial wallet, our physical capability? Why do we need to do that? Ask me why. Because we can be champions. Say champions. We can change to be champions. Champions on business, champions on selling, champions on recruitment, champions on multiplication and duplication, champions on what we do in network marketing. We can be champions. Why do we want to watch the Olympics? And why are there champions in the Olympics? Why do we also do that in each and every event? But why do we need to recognize the silver executives, the gold executives, the global ambassadors, the Millionaires Club members, the top 20? Why do we need to do that? Ask me why. Because it reminds us that we are capable of being a champion. It reminds us I can be a silver executive one day. It reminds us I can be a gold executive one day. It reminds us I can be a Millionaires Club member one day. It reminds us I can be a global ambassador one day. We love seeing these changes in other people, but we love them even more if that changes starts from within us. Change starts from us. Change starts from within. Change starts from our mind. We need to adapt. A means adapt. Everybody say adapt. Adapt to our culture. When we went to Nigeria, we adapted to their culture. When Mr. Adrian Del Rosario and Coach John went to Nigeria, they adapted to their culture. They said, if you want to get Nigeria, you need to dance. We dance. We need to eat what they eat. We eat what they eat. We adapted to their culture. We adapted to the change that we want so that we can be champions in that particular area. We need to adapt to the environment. We need to adapt to the struggle. Mahirap maging silver executive, maging gold executive, maging leader. Am I right? You need to wake up early. You need to call your downlines. You need to follow up your leaders. You need to do all these activities. You need to meet them meeting after meeting after meeting after meeting. Nangyayari o hindi? Meron bang mga inuumaga kakamiting dyan? We need to adapt. Sleep late, wake up early. Retail more, recruit more, meet more people. We need to adapt. Because if we want to change to be champions, we need to adapt to these changes. When you go to the gym, to exercise, you want to have a big bicep, you need to adapt to that change every day. 20 sets, pick that dumbbell, 20 kilos, 40 kilos, every day you need to do that. We need to adapt to those things so that one day we can commit to that change and be champions. Am I right? Lastly, N stands for nurture. Everybody say nurture. Once you already have that routine, nurture it. Once you already have the people, nurture it. You respect the relationship with them. You respect and nurture that organization. You let them grow. You let them stand up. You let them succeed. Because when you nurture them, you're creating leaders. When you nurture them, they themselves can become champions. Do you want your downlines to become champions? If you want that, you need to remember the two most powerful motivational words in this world. I can.
I can.
Everybody say, I can.
I can.
Louder, I can.
I can.
With conviction, I can.